Start.
These are all stems. These are all flowers. Now we have to match flower with stem. Okay? This flower matches with this stem, right? This yellow flower matches with this stem. This red flower matches with that red stem. White flower with this stem. This pink flower with this stem. Now who will do? Jashwant, come here. Help me. Now match this flower with the stem. Go and match it. Which stem matches it? Go and keep it there. Go and show me. Go and show me. Very good, Jashwant. Keep it here. Now this flower. Where is it? Show me. Where is the stem? Show me. Which stem matches this flower? Which stem? Very good. Show me. Very good. Go and show me.
Here.
Here. Very good, Jashwant. Okay. Come, give me that flower. Da, come, Chanakya. Show me this flower matches with stem. Which stem? Which stem? This flower matches with stem. Very good, Chanakya. Go and stand in your place. Clap for Chanakya, everyone. Chalo. Go. Vedansh, come. Tell me this yellow flower matches with which stem? Very good. Go and show. Very good, Vedansh. Clap for Vedansh, everyone. Good job. Smiley, come. That
Smiley
white
is done, Ra. Arju.
Arjun, come. Come. Good boy. Tell me that white flower matches with which stem? Here, which stem? This white flower matches with which stem? Very good, Arjun. Clap for Arjun. Clap for Arjun, everyone.